Now, dear student, second is the elevation of boiling point. As we know that the vapor pressure of liquid increase with increase in temperature. When temperature increases, vapor pressure also increases. It boils at the temperature at which vapor pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure. And when it is boiled, when it is equal to the atmospheric pressures, then it start boiling. Okay. We can take an example. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, that is 373.15 Kelvin. Because at this temperature, vapor pressure of water is equal to how many? It is calculated that the vapor pressure at 100 degrees Celsius is 1.013 bar or at 1 atmosphere. Now, dear student, the vapor pressure of solvent decreases in the presence of non-volatile solute. If non-volatile solutes are added, then vapor pressure automatically decrease. Suppose in an example, vapor pressure of an aqueous solution of sucrose is less than 1.013 bar at 373.15 Kelvin. So their vapor pressure decreases from 1.013 bar. So, dear student, in order to boil its vapor pressure must be increased 1.013 bar by rising the temperature. So we must rise the temperature so that it start boiling, because they are mixed with the water. So the boiling temperature of the pure solvent, it increase up to from the pure solvent. Okay. So what conclusion we get from this? That the boiling point of solution is always higher than that of boiling point of pure solvent in which solution is prepared. Solution जिसमें बनाया जा रहा है उसका boiling point हमेशा higher है. So we can say that boiling point of the solution is always higher than pure solvent. Okay, due to the presence of non-volatile solvent. So the elevation of boiling point also depends on the number of solute molecules. So it also depends on the number of solute molecules present. Okay, rather than their nature. What is the nature of the solvent and solute? It doesn't depend. It depends on the number of molecules. So how can we find increase in the boiling point? Let's indicate increasing boiling point is delta TB. Then it is given by delta TB equal to TB minus TB naught. And this equation is also called elevation of boiling point, where TB not indicate boiling point of pure solvent. Okay. And TB indicate boiling point of solution. As we know that boiling point of solution is greater than boiling point of pure solution solvent. That's why TB minus TB naught. We can graphically indicate. You see, as the temperature increases, vapor pressure also increases. Yes, but the solvent boiling point will be achieved faster. In the solution, boiling point of solution is higher than solvent. So this graph is like this. So this TB, but TB is called the boiling point of. So we must increase the temperature for TB, and TB naught is less than TB. So how can we find that the increase in the boiling point? Increase in the boiling point is given by the difference of TB minus TB naught. So delta TB equal to TB minus TB naught. So this is the vapor pressure curve for the solution line between the curve of pure water and these two curve. So this curve and this curve. Okay. The diagram shows that delta TB denotes the elevation of boiling point of solvent in solution. So delta TB indicate the boiling point of solution, my dear student. After this we will discuss some more points in the next class. I hope you understand. Any doubt or any query regarding this, please ask me. Thank you for today.